Hello to my skincare lovers, thank you for coming back to watch yet another video from me. In today's video, I'll be sharing useful lifestyle change that can actually help to improve the appearance of your armpits and also get rid of armpit odor. This is what I've actually incorporated in my skincare routine that has helped to elevate my skin. And right now guys, I'm super proud. I can wear my sleeveless, raise my hands up without being conscious or shy. If you're new here, my name is Elo and I would love you to take out a moment to click on the red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, also drop a comment because I would love to get to know you. And if you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Just for you to know, as a woman of color, it is completely normal for you to struggle with hyperpigmentation. And if you are dark skinned, you shouldn't expect your armpits to look like that of a light skin, or if you're light skinned, when your armpits becomes dark, you actually know that there is a problem. It only becomes a problem where you are dark skinned and your armpit is looking extremely dark, or when you're light skinned and your armpit is looking like that of a dark skin. The first lifestyle change you need to make in your skincare routine that will help to elevate your armpits is for you to stop using shaving bake. And then a lot of people are allergic to shaving bake. They develop bumps underneath there, and when the bumps goes away, it leaves dark spots, making their armpits look darker. And even if you want to use shaving bake, if you're not allergic to shaving bake, I will encourage you to always wet that area. Use your body wash, apply your body wash under there before shaving if you still insist you want to go ahead with your shaving bake. I also do not approve of using hair removal cream. I know hair removal cream removes unwanted hair in a smooth fashion, but the truth is the chemical used in formulating hair removal cream can actually irritate the skin, causing you to have hyperpigmentation. I know right now you'll be asking, oh Elo, I'm allergic to shaving bake and now I'm even using hair removal cream, and now you're telling me that some of the chemical use can actually lead me to having irritation, and the irritation can lead me to having hyperpigmentation. So what then can I use? I will encourage you to opt for waxing. And then a lot of people scream waxing is expensive. Waxing is not expensive, and you can actually get it by yourself and do it for yourself. And a lot of people complain the pain is extreme. Yes, I believe the pain is extreme if it is your first time of using it, but when you keep on using it your second and your third time, trust me, the pain will reduce. Your body will get used to the pain, and trust me, waxing has a whole lot of benefits. What I love about waxing, and the few times I've actually started incorporating waxing in my skincare routine, I noticed that the hair in that area does not grow faster. It does not grow faster. Like, it takes a whole lot of time. Unlike when I was using shaving bake, I have to shave like 2 times in a week. At this time I'm wearing sleeveless also, I need to shave. Another thing about it is that it removes the hair from the roots. Unlike shaving bake will leave all these dots, black hairs that will make your armpit appear darker than it should. But waxing removes the hair from the roots. Even when the hair grows back, it grows back thinner and finer, and that's why I do encourage you to opt for waxing. Another tip you should employ is, while bathing, most people forget to wash down there. The way you care for your body matters a lot. Also show tender loving care under your armpits. I talked about using exfoliating glove. Make sure you use exfoliating glove. Make sure you scrub those areas very, very well and not being aggressive anyways. The second step is exfoliating. I know we talk about exfoliating of the face, and sometimes people exfoliate their body but they forget to exfoliate their underarm. It is very, very important to show tender loving care to your under armpit. Even while doing it, you don't have to be aggressive because the skin in that area is very, very thin, so you will not irritate your skin. Exfoliation is all about removing unwanted dead skin cell. Our skin generates every 24 days where your skin has to die off, and when your skin cell dies, it stays at the outer layer of the skin, making it look dry, making it look dull. But when you exfoliate your skin, it helps to get rid of unwanted dead skin cell, making it appear more fresher and clean. That is the benefit exfoliation will do to your armpit, helping your armpit get rid of all the wanted dead skin cell in that area. I know I've talked about exfoliation. Exfoliation is very important in-house skincare routine, and I've also made a video about exfoliation, and I encourage you to check it out. I'll be leaving the link on my description box. If you're still confused what exfoliation is all about or the right exfoliant for your skin type, that video will do you a lot of good, because it's packed with a whole lot of information you need to know about how to choose exfoliant and which exfoliant works best for you. After this process, you can actually get your aloe vera gel cream. Aloe vera gel cream has a cooling properties, and it's also an anti-inflammatory and can also help with an itchy skin. The next step is your choice of deodorant. Your choice of deodorant matters a whole lot. I would advise you to stay away from deodorant or perspirant that has alcohol, because you can develop an inflammatory reaction in those areas. Also, deodorant that leaves white residue on that area can actually clog pores, leading you to having hyperpigmentation. I will always advise you to go for natural deodorant. Can be very, very beneficial. Deodorant that has baking powder and also aluminum deodorant is very bad. Someone that has sensitive skin. I've used Arm and Hammers deodorant. I've also used Dr. Teal's deodorant, and I can categorically tell you it's very, very amazing, and it doesn't darken the armpit. I also love Nivea white and black spray deodorant, and I only use this deodorant like when I have something that will make me to sweat a lot, like I'm going to the market, I'm going to the gym, that's when I use that type of regular deodorant down there. But if you're someone that suffers from severe dark arm pigmentation, or you just want a quick method, like you have an occasion coming up and you can't just wait, you have this beautiful sleeveless clothes that you want to rock, and when you are dancing, you won't know when you like raise your hands up and all that, and you just like you're searching, oh, what can I actually do? Especially this December period, you just want something that will get rid of that dark armpit. I will encourage you to get original kojic acid soap. It can also be very, very beneficial. You can use it once or 2 times in a week. Down area, allow it to stay for the first time, you can allow it to stay from 2 minutes, then you increase to 5 minutes. And I know a lot of people have asked, I've talked a whole lot about using original kojic acid as hyperpigmentation treatment, and I know I got a question, oh, how do I know the one that is actually original? I will definitely be dropping a video on it, so you see, if you don't subscribe to my channel, you definitely miss out when I upload this video. So the next is also this ordinary glycolic acid or any glycolic acid toner on your body. There's some people that can actually react to glycolic acid of 5% or so. So if you're doing it, just make sure you're doing it minimal. I will encourage you to do it always. You can do it the period that you will not exfoliate your skin. I will encourage you to do it during your off days when you will not be exfoliating. Please do not use glycolic acid when you exfoliate your skin. You can also use your glycolic acid toner with your cotton wool, use it to clean that area. I'm telling you, it also help your hairs not to grow and also treats your hyperpigmentation in that area. One thing I've also tried that has also helped, I know that has also helped on my lifestyle change, I've actually employed, is to stop wearing tight clothes. It sounds weird, like what does tight clothes or tight sleeve clothes has to do with my underarm being dark? Sis, your armpits needs to breathe, okay? So poor ventilation actually can, sweating and everything can help to clog pores, making that area to look dark, leading you to having hyperpigmentation. And if you have tried all the methods I mentioned in today's video and nothing seems to work for you, I will encourage you to check with your doctor. Or someone that suffers from obesity, diabetes can actually suffer from a condition called acetosis nigricans. This condition can occur when there is excess insulin in your bloodstream that can cause darkening. PCOS, cancer can also cause melanin in some cases. Then smokers melanosis is a condition in which someone that smokes tobacco, can have an increased patches and hyperpigmentation underneath the armpit. So if you're such person, I will encourage you to try as much as possible to get help so that you will experience a flawless, healthy looking skin. We have come to the end of today's topic. So if you have any question for me, just drop it down below. I'll be down there reading all your comments. So we see you next time. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your fruits and vegetables, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.